Step back another step. Let's go.
Wesley just started.
There you go.
You got $5.
Hang on just a second.
You don't get it. Okay. Another step.
You must have barely got the tip of it.
Nice.
High viz, can't miss me this time.
So you want to get hit by the axe?
No. After our last family game night, oh my God. I need to be visible.
So the guys are going to go throwing axes tonight. This is going to be
sure
fun.
This is a good idea or not.
And I'm going to video it. So, I mean, I have to watch it anyways because that's going to be a hoot.
Yeah, this should be interesting. Okay, axe throwing. Who thought this was a good sport?
I don't know, Liz. Jason's wife Liz is the one that set this all up, so I don't know. We'll see who whiffs it, who can get it stuck in the wood and not in themselves.
All right. So the biggest rule we have, and it's also most everything's common sense. Okay, but you'd be amazed at how many people you have to tell this. But our biggest rule is we call this a lane. That's a lane. There's 2 lanes in the back. But when 2 people are up here throwing in this lane, we both throw our axe, and then we both go get our axe. You don't have somebody getting an axe while somebody's throwing.
Yeah, oh, look at you!
You can't. Yeah, catch up your kid.
Please don't let go of it. I mean, nice.
Welcome to our new studio.
Isn't this cool?
This is so cool.
I feel so professional now.
Uh-oh.
Just kidding.
This was one of the things we were really excited about, to have a toy hauler so that we could, I mean, it's really, really, really windy outside. Imagine that, it's Oklahoma.
I know, go figure.
And so shooting outside's kind of tough, but we were able to create our own studio in our garage.
It is so cool.
This is our first time.
Yeah.
First time studio.
I love this. This is fun.
Yeah, we'll play with it a little bit and see what we can do with it.
Yeah.
So anyway, another update. Imagine that. Imagine that, another update.
I know. It's never ending.
Are we having fun yet?
Yeah. Yeah, we are.
Are we?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm getting a little anxious to get on the road.
A little?
I'm not going to lie.
A little anxious?
Okay, I am a lot anxious.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So as you saw, the guys put in our sink and our new countertop.
They did.
They put in our new drawers.
Mm-hmm.
Our refrigerator's in.
It is.
We've still got a couple of items that were broken on delivery that we're kind of waiting on, but we can move in.
Yeah,
Slade
absolutely.
said, when do you want to move in? We said, when can we move in? He says,
3 months ago?
So we moved in. We've been here a long time, and I need to check with Slade and Alicia and find out if we've been here, if we broke any records.
Oh, I know we have.
We have?
Oh, who else has been here almost 5 months?
I don't know.
I mean, other than the ones that work here.
If you've been at Rolling Retreats longer than 4 months, let us know.
Yeah, well, we've been here how long?
Over 4.
Yeah, so I think we won.
The big thing is that everybody here has made us feel welcome.
Absolutely.
And, you know, they haven't said, when are you leaving? When are you going away? You know.
I'm waiting for that moment.
And maybe by now they're ready to
Yeah, they're probably like,
But they've been so nice to us, and they've treated us like family, like we're part of the group, and we really appreciate that. I got to tell you, I think we told you, we found a local church here that we just absolutely adore.
In Sayre, and they are amazing. We love you guys.
Yep, they're amazing people.
Yeah.
And then, as you saw earlier, that they have family nights every now and again, and this last Friday night was family night, and Jason's wife Liz,
she's adorable,
caught a hold of Kelly and said, "Hey, I made an appointment for the boys to go throw hatchets." Okay.
Hatchets. All I kept thinking is that they're gonna get hatchets in their shins. You know, I don't know.
She says, "Do you guys want to go?" And quite honestly, we both kind of looked at each other like, do we really want to do this?
I know our daughter has done it and loved it, but I never thought that we would do it.
So you saw the results. We had a blast. That was so much fun. Alicia and Slade showed up.
Yeah. I tell you, it's a lot of exercise.
Yeah.
You use your whole body to throw.
Because you were bending over picking them up off the floor.
Well, you have to go over your head and you use your, it's really good exercise. So
We had a great time. It was so much
fun.
fun, and we got to thank everybody for inviting us along, because we just had a blast.
It's so important to laugh,
And we laughed
hard.
We did.
We've been laughing since we've been here.
We did.
They're just hilarious.
And then over Easter, they invited us over to Jason and Liz's house again.
Yeah.
With the gang.
We went over there for Christmas. This is how long we've been here.
That's true.
So they invited us over for Christmas dinner, and they're just amazing people.
So they invited us. Jason smoked up a big ham and made mac and cheese, and
Smoked mac and cheese.
it was
good.
It was really good.
Yeah.
We played games and those. What do they call those things?
The
Hamster balls.
All right, so we have 3 Easter eggs.
Yeah.
Blue and white Easter eggs.
Yeah, Joe, go.
This is the introduction of the text
That's right. Yeah, no kidding.
for our video.
There's your introduction.
Someone want to know?
Oh, he went down.
That was
Sorry for my laughing. I have a weird laugh, but oh my gosh.
that was really entertaining.
I just think everybody should get some of those and bring them to your family parties. They are, oh my gosh, they're hilarious.
That was fun. That was fun.
It
Again,
was. We wouldn't do it, but
We
it was
laughed
fun
so
watching
hard.
them do it.
but Jason and Travis and Steve got in the hamster balls, and even Jason's daughter got in there,
Yeah.
and his son
Megan
Wes.
and Wes.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
that was so much fun. And then they played Jenga, and we missed we missed the most important part of Jenga. So we were there with another couple that was staying here. They invited him over as well, and he reached up and grabbed a board and started to pull it out the last second, threw it back, and hit Jason smack dab in the middle of the nose. He bled.
It wasn't funny, but Travi, who is hilarious, one of the techs, he just went on a roll. And oh my gosh, it was, yeah.
So I got to tell you, the folks around here they're really, really special.
They are.
They are just amazing people,
Yeah.
and they want to involve you, in their stuff, and they're just a lot of fun to be around. So
And I've said this before, we're gonna be sad when we leave.
we are.
We just love everybody here so much, and they just have gone head over heels for us, and
Yep.
just amazing people.
Yep. So anyway, Slade said we could start moving in. He pulled it out of the shop. He says, "Okay, that's the last time in the shop. Anything else that you find, I'll have to be done out in the yard." And we said, "Okay." So here we are. We're starting to move in.
Yay.
Slow but sure.
Yeah.
We're
I've moved things 3 different times already
You
because
have.
well, when you cook, you don't know where you need things. So
and we're starting to think we're hoarders.
if you have space, you'll fill it up. I don't care if you go into a new one and this is your first time RVing, you're going to go, oh, look at all this space. And then a year later, you're going to go, how did I collect all this stuff?
We moved from a 38-foot coach into a 45-foot coach, and we're not sure where everything's going to go.
Yes, but it's the little stuff that we can just chuck. I mean, everything is, I mean, we did really well on this, the whole cabinet thing, because everything has a place, and I'm very pleased.
Yeah.
In fact, I have like a cabinet and a half that's empty.
You didn't tell me that.
Well, I wasn't going to say anything, but because that's mine. It's my space. It's my kitchen space.
She made me share the garage cabinets.
Oh my gosh.
And now she's hogging cabinets in the regular coach.
I only have a section of it. The rest of it is, of course, is
You have that one. And you have
that's
that
detergent.
one. And you have that one.
No, that has the helmets.
No,
for
the helmets
Can-Am.
are in here on the top shelf.
Yeah.
What's above it?
Anyways, he's taking a lot of my stuff back here. Anyway, no, I have stuff to go in there.
So we're starting to think like we're hoarders. And, well,
We are.
you know how that
kinda.
goes.
You got your hands full.
Time to start filling it up. Whoa.
So we're slowly moving in. The plan is to get moved in and go down and see our daughter and her family down outside of Fort Worth. They're building a new house. We told them we'd come down and check out their new house before we left the area and see what's going on. So we're kind of excited to do that. We're not sure when that's going to happen. This week, Sean James from DRV is coming down from Indiana. And Alicia would like him to look at this floor plan since it's for the most part finished. And she wants him to take a look at it and give his opinion and maybe get the engineers to put it on the drawing board for him.
That would be pretty amazing.
Yeah, she would be very happy.
Yes.
Anyway, we're very happy with the floor plan. We're very happy with the way it came out. We're not going to give you a full tour just yet because we've got stuff everywhere.
We just want to wait until everything is in its place and we are settled.
Yeah.
And then we can do a really good walkthrough on everything.
So
we're still putting things up on the walls.
We'll give you a good walkthrough, but the sink and the drawers, that sink's amazing. Every customer that's come in and taken a look at it says, "I want one."
I know. Even on Facebook.
Yeah.
They just that and the stove.
Yeah, the
stove
cooktop.
top.
Yeah.
So we are very happy.
Yep. So that's the status of us. We were so busy last week trying to get things squared away. It's just been a whirlwind of emotion. And quite honestly, getting back on the road, I'm excited, but I'm a little apprehensive. We haven't been on the road for a long time.
I know. Even just moving our old RV over there and backing you in, I'm like, if I could do this.
Yeah, we probably need to hook up and hit down the freeway and give it a little tug and see how things go. So.
Yeah.
Anyway, wanted to give you a quick update, and we hope everybody is having a great week. We will update you next week on what's going on. So in the meantime, from Elk City, Oklahoma,
It all starts with an idea.
we'll talk to you next week, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.